Title companies in Arizona play a critical role in real estate transactions by verifying ownership, identifying liens, ensuring title, and ensuring that ownership transfers are legally protected. Their services reduce risk for buyers, sellers, and lenders, ensuring that property rights are clear, enforceable, and marketable. Title Plant, ARS, Paragraph 20 in 1562-10. A title plant, defined under ARS, Paragraph 20 on 1562 or 10, is a comprehensive database of recorded documents, maps, and indexes related to real property within a specific county or region. Title companies maintain title plants to examine public records, trace ownership history, and identify encumbrances or liens affecting property. These plants are essential for conducting accurate title searches, issuing title commitments, and ensuring there are no hidden defects that could impact ownership. Title Insurance Agent, ARS, Paragraph 20, 1562-9. A title insurance agent, as defined by ARS, Paragraph 20, ER 1562-9, is a person or business authorized to act on behalf of a title insurance company. Agents perform title searches, prepare preliminary title reports, and facilitate the issuance of title insurance policies. They also work closely with escrow officers during closing. Title agents must be licensed by the Arizona Department of Insurance and Financial Institutions, DIFI, and comply with fiduciary and ethical duties, ensuring accuracy in their title examinations. Issuance of title insurance, ARS, Paragraph 20, R 1562, under ARS, Paragraph 20, R 1562-8. Title insurance is defined as a contract that insures against loss or damage resulting from defects in title, liens, encumbrances, or other issues that may affect property ownership. The policy protects the insured party, usually the buyer or lender, against financial loss arising from title defects that were unknown at the time of purchase or closing. Liens and ownership items. Title companies examine public records to identify liens or claims that might affect ownership, such as mortgages, tax liens, judgments, or mechanics liens. Clearing these encumbrances is a critical step before issuing title insurance or recording a deed. Homestead exemption, ARS, Paragraph 33, 1101. The homestead exemption, established under ARS, Paragraph 33, 1101, protects a portion of a homeowner's equity, up to $400,000, as of recent statutory updates from certain creditors. This means that even if a creditor wins a judgment, they cannot force the sale of a home to collect the debt, unless the lien is a mortgage, property tax, or mechanics lien. Title companies must recognize and note any recorded homestead exemptions during title examination, as these can affect lien enforcement. Mechanics lien, ARS, Paragraph 33, 981. A mechanics lien under ARS, Paragraph 33, 981, allows contractors, subcontractors, and suppliers to place a lien on a property for unpaid labor or materials that improve the property. This lien attaches to the property itself, not the owner personally, and takes priority from the date work began. Title companies must identify any recorded or potential mechanics liens, as unresolved claims can prevent clear title and delay closing. Types of title insurance policies. Title insurance, ARS, Paragraph 20, 1562-8. Title insurance provides protection against financial loss resulting from title defects, undisclosed errors, recording errors, or fraudulent conveyances. Unlike other types of insurance, title insurance protects against past occurrences, not future events. Title insurance as a closing requirement. 7 CFR 1927, 5-4. Under 7 CFR 1927, 4, the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, requires title insurance as a closing requirement for all federally backed loans, such as USDA rural development loans. This ensures that the lender's security interest in the property is legally enforceable and free from undisclosed encumbrances. Quiet title action, ARS, Paragraph 12, 101. A quiet title action is a lawsuit filed to resolve disputes over property ownership or to clear clouds on title. Under ARS, Paragraph 12, 1, a property owner or claimant may file an action in superior court to quiet or remove competing claims, liens, or defects that challenge ownership. Obtaining title insurance protects owners and lenders from having to initiate or defend against such actions by ensuring the title is marketable at closing. ALTA Policies and Standards. The American Land Title Association, ALTA, establishes national standards for title insurance coverage and policy forms used across the United States. ALTA policies provide varying levels of protection depending on the insured party's needs and transaction type. ALTA Standard Owner's Policy. The most common form of coverage for buyers. It protects against title defects, liens, and encumbrances that exist on record as of the policy date. ALTA Extended Owner's Policy provides broader protection by covering off-record risks such as unrecorded easements, encroachments, survey discrepancies, and adverse possession claims. ALTA Residential Owner's Policy, Bulletin AZZU-05, a simplified version tailored for Arizona residential transactions, ensuring compliance with state-specific practices and providing additional consumer-friendly protections. ALTA Homeowners Policy offers the most comprehensive coverage for individual homeowners, including protection against forgery, zoning violations, building permit issues, and restrictive covenant violations. ALTA Standard Loan Policy protects a lender's interest in the property used as loan collateral, covering defects in title that could impair the lender's ability to foreclose. ALTA Extended Loan Policy expands coverage to include survey-related issues and off-record matters that could affect a lender's security position. Each policy type serves a different purpose. Owners' policies protect the buyer's investment, while lenders' policies protect the financing institution's collateral interest. Buyers are typically encouraged to purchase an owner's policy even if only the lender's policy is required by the mortgage. In summary, title companies serve as neutral guardians of ownership integrity in Arizona real estate transactions. They verify property rights, disclose liens, issue insurance to protect against defects, and ensure that closings comply with state and federal law. Title insurance, supported by statutory definitions and ALTA standards, provides both peace of mind and legal security for buyers, sellers, and lenders alike.